Welcome. Sit down.
What happened to the king? Why is he looking sad?
I don't know the reason. Nothing to make him worry. Our country has all the resources and well developed, and our country people live their life happy.
Yes, of course. Then what may be the reason?
How can you find out the reason? By discussing yourself.
Yes, we shall go and ask him.
Majesty, nowadays you are looking sad. What happened?
I solved so many crises, but just three questions arising in my mind. I could not find out the answer. Please answer me.
Yes,
Of course, we can.
Yeah, I have three questions in my mind. The first, what is the right time for every action? Second, who is the most important and necessary people in life? And last, what efforts the important to be done in this world? Please answer me.
Majesty, we could not find the answer. I think we will announce information to the people.
Okay. Those who find out the answer, I will give the rewards. Soldiers. Call the drumsman.
Welcome, my lord.
Drumsman, I have three questions in my mind. The first, what is the right time for every action? Second, who is the most important and necessary people in life? And last, what efforts the important to be done in this world? You announce this to the people. Those who find out the answer, I will give the rewards.
Okay, king. I will announce to the people. Thank you, my lord. Hello, friends. Yeah, good news waiting for you. That is, if anyone find out the solutions for king questions, he will be awarded with rewards. That questions are, what is right time for every action? First, second question, who are the most important to be done in this world? Third question, what efforts to be done in this world?
Wow, it's a good opportunity. I must go to palace tomorrow.
I want to say the rewards, so I will answer.
Tomorrow we will meet the king.
Welcome, my lord.
Sit down.
We
want to meet the king.
Wait, I will inform to the king. Majesty, some wise men want to meet you. They are waiting.
Okay, call them.
Good morning, Majesty.
Good morning. Sit down. Good morning to all wise men who have gathered here. It is already proclaimed that the one who teach me right would be rewarded. I am much happy to see you all here.
Good morning, Majesty. We are also happy to hear today. Tell us the question so that we can tell you the answer.
Yeah, I have three questions in my mind. The first, what is the right time for every action? Second, who is the most important and necessary people in life? And last, what efforts the important to be done in this world? Please answer me.
I can answer our first question. It's so simple. For knowing the right time, one can drop a table of days, months, and years in advance and must live strictly according to it, so that one could find out that everything has done at its proper time.
How is it possible to decide beforehand the right time for every action?
Yes, he is correct. It is impossible to decide the perfect time for every action. But you should have a council of wise men who will help you to fix the proper time for everything.
Majesty, it's better to find a great magician for knowing the right time for every action. Because only magician can know the perfect time for every action.
Not at all. Your answers are not perfect match for my questions.
My lord, it's okay. Shall I answer our second question?
Yes, you shall.
The important person for a king is his counselors.
No, I cannot agree with this. Priests are more important.
Doctors are the most important person in a king's life.
Once again, your answers made me confused. Is anyone there to answer my last question?
Yes, Majesty, the most important thing in the world is science.
Science. How? Can you explain your answer?
Today, science is everything because science rules the world.
For a thing, the most important thing is not science, but warfare.
I agree with this because war skill is the important thing for a great king.
Not at all. Your answers are not perfect match for my questions. I find the answer in some other ways. Anyways, thanks for coming.
Thank you, Majesty.
I want to kill a king. I will kill the king. I want to kill the king. I want to kill the king. I will kill the king. My property. I sought to take revenge on him. I will kill the king. I want to kill the king.
He is planning to kill the king. Look, he has knife on his hand. We save the king.
Oh, soldiers! Oh my God! I will not bear this pain.
Where is he? He is escaped. Let's catch him.
I am so tired. I can't do. I am so tired. Good morning, Majesty. Welcome to my place, my king.
Good morning, Hermit. I came to you answer my questions. I have 3 questions in my mind. The first, what is the right time for every action? Second, who is the most important and necessary people in life? And last, what efforts are important to be done in this world? You are tired. Let me take the spade and work a while for you.
Thank you, Majesty.
Hermit, Answer my question.
King, rest a while and let me work a bit.
You are tired. I can dig it.
Okay.
I came to wise man for answer my question. If you can give me none, tell me. I will return my home.
Here comes someone running towards us. Let's see who it is.
He is wounded. Let's do something.
Yeah, it's bleeding.
Give a towel.
Give me some water.
What?
Thank you so much. Forgive me.
Who are you? What happened to you?
You do not know me, but I know you. I am the enemy of yours, because you have seized my property. I sought to take revenge on you. Now I am here to kill you. But on the way, your soldiers wounded me. I escaped from them. If you have not given me first aid, I would have died. I wished to kill you, but you saved my life. Surely, I will serve as you, most faithful man.
Now you are safe. We will friends forever.
Thank you so much, Lord.
I send my servants and physicians here to help you, and I will restore your property.
Thank you so much once again, my Lord.
Soldiers, the last time I pray you to answer my question.
You have already been answered.
What do you mean? How am I answered?
Don't you see? If you had not pitied my weakness and had not digged the ground for me, but had gone your way, that man would have attacked you. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds, and I was the most important person, and to do me good was your most important affair. And next, when the wounded man ran to you, the most important time was when you were attending to him, and he was the most important person, was the man, and what you did for him was the most important affair. Remember then, there is only one time that is most important now. The most necessary and most important person is he or she with whom you are. The most important affair is to do him or her good, because for that purpose along was man sent into his life.
Thank you, Hermit. I got all the answers and I will lead my life happily.